Okay,
So hello, good evening, guys. Today I am Hamza, and along with me there is Mehdi and Barkhaya. So we came here today to have a little walk and some exercise because health is very important, and in this lockdown situation we need to maintain our immunity. For this purpose we came out. So what are your views about, first I will come to Mehdi. What are your views about the current situation?
The current situation, I think, it's improved. Now we can go outside. There is no
Okay.
lockdown.
Okay.
So I hope the same thing for the other countries, especially Algeria, because in Algeria the situation will be more worse.
Okay.
You know.
so what is the conditions nowadays in Algeria? Like, is there lockdown properly by government or just
Yeah. Actually, the lockdown is applied in Algeria, partially, not totally, but there is a lot of infection more cases. So we hope and we wish Allah to avoid this disease
Okay.
all of the countries.
So,
Especially
so
Algeria.
I'm just interrupting you because we have a rain.
Yeah,
So
you
we
can-
will continue the discussion after some time.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.